Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I am sharing another fun fold card. I am really having fun with these, and I think this one is called a flip fold card. I'm not exactly sure, but I think that's what they're calling this. So when it has a little arm here, and when you open it, the sentiment is underneath, and then you can open and you have your greeting right inside. And I did go a little non-traditional because I've been using a lot of the traditional colors, and I just wanted to do something different. So this is Coastal Cabana and Petal Pink, and I thought it turned out really cute. So this is what I'm sharing today, so let's get started. Alright, so I already pre-scored this. This piece is 4 1/4 by 9 3/4, and you're going to score it at 5 1/2. So this forms your card base, just like that. Alright, and then for the inside of the card, you're going to need a piece of Petal Pink, and this is 5 1/4 by 4. And then this piece is for our inside sentiment, which is 3 3/4 by 3 3/4. And then for the front of the card, you're going to need a piece that is 4 by 4, and then another piece to stamp, which is 3 3/4 by 3 3/4. And then you're also going to need for the little handle or the bar, and this is 1 1/2 by 5 1/2, and you score this at 1 1/2, which I already did. Alright, so let's go ahead and first we're going to do the inside matte piece and the little bar. So what you're going to do is you're going to add adhesive to this inside piece right here, just that little 1 1/2 inch that you scored. And you're going to center it the best you can in here. And I know that when I've seen some people do these and they put the bar on the outside, but I really didn't like it on the outside. I wanted to keep it clean on the outside, so I decided to do it on the inside, and I just made my matte piece longer. So we're going to mat this now over that. I'm just using wet glue for this because I can move it around if I need to. And I think I got that a little bit too long. Let me see what it is. It's 5 1/2. Oh, it's supposed to be 5 1/4. So let me go ahead and trim that really quickly. So this matte piece for the inside is 5 1/4. I did it 5 1/2. I knew it looked a little bit too long. So let's go ahead and add more adhesive here. Sorry about that. And then we'll put that on. That's much better. Wants to adhere right away because there's already glue on there. I don't want it to because I want to center this. Alright, so there we go. And then here's your little bar. Now if you want to put it on the outside, you can definitely do that, but I really like it not showing on the back side. Alright, and then let's go ahead and mat the front while we're at it. And then we'll do our stamping. So we're going to just mat this to the front. Center that one too. Alright, so let's go ahead and stamp. We're going to stamp using Coastal Cabana and the Petal Pink so it all coordinates. That's what I love about Stampin' Up! Everything coordinates so nicely. And we are going to use our 3 by 3, 3 3/4 by 3 3/4 pieces here. And we're going to stamp the Merry Christmas, which is going to go on the front. And I need my mat to stamp on. So let me grab that really quickly. This is my favorite thing to use when I'm using photopolymer. Alright, so there's our Merry Christmas. Then let's go ahead and do the inside sentiment as well. And the stamp sets that I'm using is the Perfectly Plaid. And I'm using the Merry Christmas here and this plaid tree. And then I'm using the coordinating punch, which is this one. And this does sell as a bundle, and you save 10%. All right, and then for the inside snowflakes that I'm putting, I'm just using the snowflake season, and I'm using these little snowflakes right there. All right, so let's do that. I almost forgot to tell you which ones I was using for that. And then let's grab our snowflakes and do those in the petal pink. Alright, so that's it for our stamping until we do our trees. But let's go ahead and do the trees while I have the mat out and I have all the colors out. Let's just go ahead and do the trees. We can do our big shot work after that. Alright, so I am going to grab my tree. I'm going to do two that are Coastal Cabana. And then one of them, I need to clean this off real quick, my chamois. We'll do petal pink. And then we'll just punch these all out and we'll be ready to go. I'm going to move that mat out of the way now. I'll use the rest of this for our oval that we're going to need to cut out also. So we need to use our layering ovals for the front part. So I'm going to cut this really quick just so I can use it for my oval, and I can do them both at the same time, run them both through. Alright, so this is all ready to go. Let's just go ahead and bring the big shot up here now and cut our pieces and do our embossing. So for the embossing, this is one of our dynamic embossing folders. So you just need your regular platform, and then you need your embossing folder, and we need our Merry Christmas, and we are going to emboss this. And you only need one plate for this. Gotta make sure that's straight. And I have a lot of little red pieces everywhere because I've been working on another project, and it got these little red pieces all over the place. You may have seen it. I posted it on Sunday. And then here's our embossed. I wish you can see that. I hope you can. It's really pretty. All right, and now we are going to grab our magnetic platform, and we're going to cut our pieces out with that. So we're going to do our ovals, and I am using our layering ovals for this. And we're going to cut the scalloped out, and then we're going to cut one out for our sentiment. And then we'll run that through. And we'll be ready to put this all together. I can't seem to get rid of those little red pieces everywhere. You could probably see them here. Alright, so let's go ahead and attach these. Just layer those on top of each other. And then we'll go ahead and bring our card back in here, and we'll mat our front piece, or glue that one on. And then let's go ahead and glue our inside one on as well. Remember to keep this to the left because you don't want it to show. So there's our inside. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some adhesive. I need to use my bone folder for this. We're going to add adhesive right here. And then we're going to place our piece right here and try to center it in the center of your card here. And we're going to glue on our Coastal Cabana trees first. Put one here. And then we'll put the other one on. And then we're going to use dimensionals for our petal pink one. So let's add a few dimensionals to this. And we're going to put that one right in the center. And that is it. All done. Isn't that cute? I really like this. And I really like the colors, that different colors, because it's very non-traditional, but it's still very Christmassy. So there's our first sentiment, and then you have your greeting on the inside. So that's it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop there. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next video. See you later. Bye.